Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips, our destination for you today. It's Sydney, Australia. So have a good trip. 30 essential travel tips for Sydney is a place that's really got it all. It's a sunny, modern city, right smack in the middle of nature, where gallery hopping, surfing, and fine dining can all happen before the sun goes down. Start with the views. Take the cliff-top coastal walk from Bondi to Coogee, where you'll pass by beaches, rock pools, and lush parks. Then there's the world-famous Sydney Opera House, jutting up like a huge sailboat, anchoring iconic Sydney Harbour. It's also worth seeing the city from the top down. The views from the Sydney Tower Eye Observatory are nothing less than epic. Of course, Sydney is a vibrant and diverse city with a lot to offer. Here are 30 travel tips to help you make the most of your visit. Number 1. Opal Card. Purchase an Opal Card for easier and cheaper public transport. This card works on trains, buses, ferries, and light rail. Number 2. Circular Quay. This is the hub for ferries, trains, and buses. The Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge are also here. Number 3. Climb the Harbour Bridge. For an unparalleled view of Sydney, book a bridge climb. Number 4. Visit the beaches. Don't miss Bondi, Manly, and Coogee beaches. The Bondi to Coogee coastal walk is particularly beautiful. Number 5. Sydney Opera House. Book a tour or catch a show at this iconic venue. Number 6. Taronga Zoo. Take the ferry to the zoo for a fun day out and excellent views of the city. Number 7. The Rocks. Wander around this historic area with its cobbled streets, old pubs, and weekend markets. Number 8. Museums. Check out the Museum of Sydney, Australian Museum, and the Art Gallery of New South Wales. Number 9. Darling Harbour. A hub for entertainment, dining, and attractions like SEA Life Sydney Aquarium and Wildlife Sydney Zoo. Number 10. Public ferries. A great way to see the city from the water. The Manly Ferry offers fantastic views. Number 11. Barangaroo. Sydney's newest district, featuring waterfront dining, public art, and beautiful parks. Number 12. Chinatown. Located around Dixon Street, enjoy authentic Asian cuisine and the atmosphere, especially during Lunar New Year. Number 13. Sydney Tower Eye. Get a 360-degree view of the city from the observation deck. Number 14. Royal Botanic Garden. A peaceful escape in the heart of the city. Number 15. Free City Shuttle. Look for Bus 555, which is a free shuttle running around the CBD. Number 16. Paddington Markets. Held on Saturdays, this is a great place to buy crafts and clothing. Number 17. Eat local seafood. Visit the Sydney Fish Market in Pyrmont. Number 18. Sydney Festival. If visiting in January, enjoy a multitude of art, music, and theater events. Number 19. Outdoor cinema. During summer, catch a film at the open-air cinema at Bondi Beach or the Royal Botanic Garden. Number 20. Paddy's Market. Great for souvenirs and local produce. Number 21. Dine at Woolloomooloo Wharf, a lineup of fantastic waterside restaurants. Number 22. Explore inner suburbs. Each has its own character. Newtown for alternative culture, Surrey Hills for food and fashion, and Glebe for its bohemian atmosphere. Number 23. Take a day trip. Blue Mountains, Hunter Valley, and the Southern Highlands are all within a couple of hours' drive. Number 24. Public transport off-peak. If possible, travel outside of rush hours for cheaper and less crowded rides. Number 25. Wi-Fi spots. Many cafes and public places like the State Library offer free Wi-Fi. Number 26. Join a walking tour. There are both free and paid options available to get to know the city better. Number 27. Sydney's small bars. Explore some of the city's best hidden and unique bars. Number 28. Visit the Australian National Maritime Museum. Learn about Australia's naval history. Number 29. Safety. Sydney is relatively safe, but always exercise common sense, especially at night. Number 30. Weather. Sydney's weather can be unpredictable. Always carry a light jacket or umbrella, even if the day starts sunny. Enjoy your trip to Sydney.